and Jelly, and I'm in Valencia, California. So now that we know how to help reduce our plastic waste, Sunflower and I have some super fun craft ideas where we use recycled materials. You can make super cute little crafts, and you probably already have them in your home. Take it away, Sunflower.
The first craft we're gonna make is a dirty face mask bin. So let me show you how. The tools you need are some scrap paper, scissors, some markers, a bin, and some packing tape, and the help of your parent or guardian. Our next repurposing craft is going to use a yogurt cup. I don't know about you, but I love yogurt, so this is a perfect craft for me. So all you have to do is wash out this yogurt cup, rinse it out really good, soap and water, and also if you have a plastic lid from something else that you've used too. This was from a giant yogurt container that I had, but you can use anything. So you need some seeds. Finally, we need, I think you all know what we need, is some soil. So let's get started. So we definitely need a parent or guardian for this craft because we need to poke some holes in the bottom of the yogurt cup to help with drainage so that we don't overwater the seeds. So parents and guardians who are watching, all I did is just kind of wiggled some scissors around into the bottom, just one or two, don't stress about it, just so we have a hole that acts for drainage. Next thing we need is, you guessed it, some soil. So we have some lovely potting soil here, and we're gonna just dump this right in there, get some, and then we're gonna place it on our little plastic drainage tray. Next, we're gonna use our fingers and make a small hole, and then we're gonna grab a couple seeds, place it in there, and put some more soil over the top. And now all you need to do is water it, place it somewhere where there's lots of sunlight, and watch it grow.
Okay, so what you're gonna need to make your jellyfish is something for the body. I'm just using this old container from mashed potatoes. Any recycled materials you have here, I just have a package from Amazon, some cardboard that I already cut, and a package from some chips, I think. Some scissors, glue, whichever glue you feel comfortable with, and make sure you ask your guardian. Some paint if you want to paint your jellyfish, and some string or any other craft materials you have to make the tentacles. And this is an extra step if you want to make it a little extra colorful. Once you cut your cardboard, you can take some extra paint that you have, or you can use some colored pencils, anything you want, and you can just start painting them, whatever color makes you happy. Okay, so once your jellyfish is dry with whatever color you painted it or colored it, and you've cut up your recycled materials like my chip bag and Amazon mailer, and your other tentacles have dried or been colored, and you start using your glue. If you're using a glue gun, make sure you're very careful, and if not, you can use any kind of glue you have at home. Awesome, so once you're done taping or gluing all your tentacles, your jellyfish could look a little something like this. And I just added some little googly eyes and bottle caps for the eyes and painted them out. And now you're good to display your jellyfish wherever you want.